say equal to, then I'll repeat the same thing. So this time let me just use I instead of F, exponential 2. Okay, then I'll say for I in our V, for I in V, then we go Y, and then I run it. So you can see what we are having. So it start by looking at this. Okay, so 1 multiplied by itself will give you 1, 2 times 2 will give you 4, 3 times 3 9, 4 times 4 will give you 16, 5 times 5 25, and so on. So this is how exponential works with list expression. Alright, so if we are going to be doing this, we have to create a for loop and then loop through the entire list, okay, and then multiplying them. But then with list expression we can do that. Now we can also filter odd numbers from this number. Okay, as you can see, there are odd numbers and even number here, so we can still filter them out. Okay, so how do we do that? We can add a clause, like I said. So we can add an if clause like this. So if I is divisible by 2, okay, say if I is divisible by 2 and then is equal to 0. Okay, so we should be able to print square. So let's print now. Okay, so you can see that it's returning, these are even number for us. Okay, so this is even number. List expression works in Python. Now let's move further.